Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the C30 Pro Smartwatch. This is the second video review for the C30 Pro Smartwatch, the unboxing review of its menus and features. In this video, we are going to explore the different options offered here on the C30 Pro Smartwatch, particularly the sports function, the health, and of course additional tools for the C30 Pro. If you are interested to see the different functionalities on the C30 Pro, drop a comment below, watch this video, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start. Let's check on the different menus and features offered in the C30 Pro Smartwatch. It is a sports smartwatch with an outdoor style design. Okay, so let's check on the details of its menus and features. On our first video for the design and UI, we already checked that it has the notifications on top. Just swipe from top to down, you have the notifications, and as you can see, there's some transparency on the notifications here. On the bottom part, we have a window type style showing some of the popular applications. On the bottom part, we have the all apps. On the left side, we have the grid type showing additional features here. And on the right side, we have the module. We have the daily activity tracking, heart rate, blood pressure, sleep monitoring, blood oxygen, and you can also add your own here. You can remove and add a card or a module. Then to access the main menu, just press the power button. As you can see here, we do have the bubble type menu. Let's see if we can adjust this. We can change to a list style. Usually the list style is on style number 2. Let's see. Okay, as expected. So the same layout with other smartwatches. We have the sports function. We have the sleep. We have the pedometer. We also have here heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, message notifications. We have dial, Bluetooth music, weather, calculator, alarm, sedentary alert, stopwatch, take photos, Bluetooth photo control. We have the voice assistant, find phone, the car race, I think it's a game. We have the settings here. We have the torch, we have the calendar, contacts for the Bluetooth call. We have the Facebook. We have support for Twitter. These are social app notifications. It is not an application, okay, but just a notification. You can receive notifications as it has support for these popular applications: Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. We have drink water reminder, reboot, shutdown. I wonder why the reboot and shutdown is here on the main menu and not on the settings. We have language support, QR code, the app view. You have the display and brightness, bedside lamp mode, Bluetooth restoring factory settings, and about. Okay, let's see on the settings. We have the settings here. I wonder if what are the options there. Settings. Okay, we have personal information, general, display. Let's see, notice, red dot reminder, notification prompt, notification light. Okay, light up the screen, notification prompt. So what's this one? I guess the message will pop up here. At least a preview of the message. We have general. On the general settings, we have the Bluetooth here, download app, store factory settings, and reboot. We have do not disturb mode, display and brightness. So we have automatically turn off screen, screen lock, cover the okay, I think the breath screen, dynamic island. Let's activate this one. Pinch to answer, night brightness mode, hand light and bedside lamp. We have time settings, time format. That's good. We have 12-hour and 24-hour format. Usually this is missing from other applications or smartwatches. Sound and torch, so you can adjust the volume here of the call. The app notifications you can also adjust. And we have the SOS. For the sports function, let's see. We have the sports here. We have walking, running, ride, climb, treadmill, basketball, football, badminton, jump rope, and that's it. Oh, very limited. Okay, it shows here that this is a sports smartwatch, but sadly it only has, I think, 6 sports or 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 sports function for this one. Okay, they should have at least add 30 to 50 or much better 100 sports function, but they only have 9 sports function. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9. Okay, that is disappointing. So if you are looking for a smartwatch with a wide array of sports function, I guess the C30 Pro is not for you. Let's see the layout here for the heart rate. Okay, simple. You have the dial, weather. I think the UI for this one is not organized. Okay, there are some features that is available in the main menu and sub menu. For example, we have here the dial, we have call log, contacts, and phone. If I'm not mistaken, it's also available here on the bottom part. We have here the contacts. Okay, so this is organized for the menus of the C30 Pro. Okay, as you can see, display and brightness, it's available here, but it's also available on the settings. Okay, sit here, we have display and brightness. So the UI of this one is not properly layout or designed. Okay, it is very disorganized for me, I think. Okay, but so far when it comes to the design, it's okay. It is also preloaded with different watch faces, and seems like the support app for this one is Fit Pro, if I'm not mistaken, based on the QR code that is available on the application or in the user manual. So that's it for our second video review of the unboxing of the C30 Pro Smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.